Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time of day it is, wherever you are. It is Friday for me right now, and yes, I am still wearing the Blues Clues shirt. Hope you had a good day. I do want to make a correction that I told you on Thursday that you would be taking this quiz, but you probably found this quiz in your Friday packet. And if you did that, if you found it in your Thursday packet, you may do it on Thursday. If you found it in your Friday packet, you can do it on Friday. If you really want to get really good, you can do it on Saturday morning, you can do it on Thursday night. Doesn't matter to me as long as it gets turned in, completed, and done. And sorry about the mistake there. I noticed that one packet had it on Thursday, and I did make the correction. On Friday, Friday's definitely downward hill. Okay, not a lot to do here, except you're going to learn about parts of speech. You've already learned about that. You're going to know parts of speech based on the writing, and then you're going to look at the complements page. You're not going to learn that. You're just going to look at that, read it over, fill this out based on your creative writing assignment from the day before, and that should be pretty simple. Again, your science quiz is open notes, open book, whatever you got you may use. Now, area. Area is where we're going to have to spend some time right now, okay? Okay? Area measures the surface of a simple closed figure, okay? It's the measurement of the surface of a simple closed figure. Oh, sorry. Okay, you hear about area a lot when you say something is squared. Okay? Alright, I want you to think about this for a minute. Alright?
You need to use a different color marker.
Alright, is that too hard to see? Okay, I'll use black. Alright, so I want you to think about a rectangle. Okay? If I could break that rectangle up into squares that measured 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3. I'd have 24 square centimeters. And I would write it like this. I'd write 24 centimeters squared. Now this is not a subscript, this is called a superscript or an exponent, okay? So this number is up in the air. So these are all centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 4 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 4 centimeters. And so area would equal 24 centimeters squared. Now what happens when that square is not broken into boxes? What happens whenever it just shows a measurement? Okay, and that's usually going to be the case. It's going to show a measurement. Alright, what we can do for area, okay, area is equal to length times width. Okay? Something is long and wide, or long and wide, whichever way you say. So if you were to take the length, 6, and multiply it by the width, 4, then you would get what? 6 times 4. What is that? Thank you, Rafe. It is 24. Now, you wouldn't just tell me it was 24 nothing. You'd put in your units. 24 centimeters. And it's not just 24 centimeters. It is 24 square centimeters. So you'd put the square after centimeters. That would be the 2 in the air. You never have to worry about a 3 or a 4 right now. You're just going to do a 2. Okay? The 3 will come with volume, and we'll learn that later, hopefully. Now, that looks very simple. Okay? Let me move over to a square. Remember, a square, we only have to know how long one side is, right? Because all sides are the same. So how would I figure out the area of a square? Okay, I just multiply one side by one side. 3 times 3 equals 9. Let's say these were meters. I make a meter squared. Okay, side by side, side times side is a square. Length times width is a rectangle. Now you could say length times width here, but they just happen to be the same thing. Okay, now let me stop you right there, because the first thing that's going to happen is whenever I ask you what the area is of this square, you're going to say 4, 8, 12, 18. I'm sorry, you're going to tell me 20. 12 plus 4 plus 4. you're going to tell me A is equal to 20 centimeters. And I'm going to say no, sir, because that's what the perimeter is equal to. The perimeter is equal to side plus side plus side plus side. Or in a rectangle, side times 2 plus side times 2. That's perimeter. Area is multiplication, length times width. Now, sounds easy, right? The problem happens when we're in 5th grade, we get things like this. Get a rectangle. I'm going to tell you, let's say it is 1.2 centimeters, and then it is 1 centimeter. Okay? That would be good. 2 centimeters. So you're actually going to have to multiply 1.2 times 2. So now you have decimals. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. We count the decimals. I have 1 spot, so I'm going to move my decimal in 1. And the area there would be 2.4 centimeters squared. 2.4 square centimeters. Area is length times width. Now, length times width. Now, excuse me. Most of your worksheet today is going to be introducing you to area, and you're only going to have to do perimeter after you do a few of them in area. You'll notice some half blocks there when you're counting it up. Half blocks, 2 half blocks make 1 whole block, so just use good sense there. Pretty simple lesson for Friday. Now, if we're still out of school next week, we'll go through a lot more of this, and we'll get a little more detailed in it. But I hope you're having a great week. Hope you're blessed by it. And if you need anything, please, please, please call me. Thank you so much for paying attention. Hope you have a great week. Again, if you have any questions, please, please let me know. Thank you very much.